Hey you guys, I had to share this cool new toy that my wife found at Target. I want to say less than $10. And it's called the Crawler After. And it's basically a cat on a Roomba, if you can see that. And our daughter crawls around now saying Roomba. And it's one of the coolest little toys. You can push down the head and it will zoom across the floor, and your child will crawl after it. Or you can push this and it plays music, or you can simply just push it, and it's like a great experience for your child. And oh, I also forgot, you can also pull it back and it also shoots forward too. But yeah, this cat Roomba is like one of the coolest toys that Fisher-Price has that's under $10. And we found ours at Target, and it's like a must-have. I would say if you can find one at your local Target, I would definitely pick up this cat Roomba. So I took it out of the package, so I just want to show you guys. So it plays like a little song when you push down this button. Also, you can push down the cat's head and the wheels move. And you can also do one of these pullbacks and you can see the cat's head move down, and then it goes. But yeah, this is a super cool toy underneath $10, and we found this at Target.